This PDR honeycomb design professional dent puller is one of the top must-have tools for paintless dent repair right now. Selling points 1. Advanced honeycomb structure, lightweight yet extremely strong. The entire body features a high-tech honeycomb design, just like aerospace-grade materials, delivering superior strength and durability while keeping the tool significantly lighter. No more heavy, tiring tools. This one stays rigid, resists deformation, and feels comfortable even during long repair sessions. All-new aluminum ergonomic handle with anodized finish, upgraded to a full aluminum alloy handle with perfect ergonomic shaping, comfortable grip, efficient force transfer, and reduced hand fatigue. Finished with premium anodized surface treatment for a sleek matte black look. Enhanced scratch resistance, corrosion protection, and that high-end feel everyone loves. 3. 360 degrees. Dual large base with TPR soft rubber protection, industry-leading 360 design locks securely on any curved surface, door panels, roof lines, bumpers, edges, you name it. Bases are fully coated with high-quality TPR soft rubber to prevent any scratches or damage to factory paint. Total peace of mind for pros and DIYers. 4. Quick precise length adjustment knob at the pulling head types. Closed open, super smooth adjustment knob lets you fine-tune the lever length in seconds. Fast, accurate positioning and rock-solid locking for perfect pulls every time. Coming with both closed and open slot pulling heads, compatible with virtually all standard PDR glue tips on the market. Beginner or pro instant setup. 5. 20-piece premium PC material multi-shape green tabs. Tackle every dent scenario. Full set of 20 different high-quality green PC tabs, round, oval or pointed, bridge bar, angled, and more. Whether it's tiny door dings, large roof panels, sharp body lines, or aluminum panels, there's a perfect tab for every job. One complete kit covers it all.